Afuwa Welding Works and General Metal Construction will continue to provide you with modernized services in and out of the company in order to make our customers happy. On the 1st of November 2024, the company's CEO, Engineer Mustapha A. Sani, visited China for a partnership aimed at providing quality facilities for the company. For qualitative, everlasting, and unique services, countries like Cameroon, Niger Republic, Mali, Togo, Senegal, and other African countries trust Afuwa Welding Construction Company. For more inquiry, please visit us at plot number 20/14, 20/15, 20/16 at Kopar Rua, Kano State, or call us on 08028263771 or 08036036657. You can also follow us on our social media platforms: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Thread, and Twitter at Afuwa Welding Works. Or you can also visit us on our website at www.afuwaweldingworks.com. Afuwa Welding Company, the best among the best metal construction company in Nigeria.